One wrong scan can silently destroy your car's brain. Most drivers never realize it until it's too late. If you're using the wrong diagnostic tool, ECU errors stay hidden and repairs get insanely expensive. Today, we're revealing the best scan tool with ECU programming that professionals trust, what it can really do, and why skipping this could cost you thousands. Don't blink. Let's start. Number 5. VDIAGTOOL VD70 is the ultimate OBD2 scanner for ECU programming and full vehicle diagnostics. Equipped with advanced ECU coding, 36+ reset functions, and bidirectional control, it lets you test modules, perform adaptive resets, and match new components effortlessly. With Android 10, 7-inch touchscreen, 18.25 watt-hour battery, CAN FD and DOIP support, and 3 years of free updates, it covers 10,000 plus cars globally. Experience faster diagnostics, real-time data, and precision fault detection, perfect for pros and DIYers seeking reliability, efficiency, and complete control. Number 4. Launch X431 takes ECU programming and vehicle diagnostics to the next level with its upgraded Android 10.0 OS. Blazing fast 2.0 GHz 4-core processor, 4 GB RAM, 64 GB storage, and 6,300 mAh battery for uninterrupted scans. This all-in-one OBD2 scanner offers 3,000 plus active tests, bidirectional control, CAN FD and DOIP support, 35 plus reset functions, FCA auto auth, and OE level full system diagnostics. Perfect for professionals, it delivers dealer-level ECU coding, adaptations, and calibrations, plus real-time data sharing, making maintenance faster, safer, and more cost-effective. Number 3. KINGBOLEN K7 OBD2 Scanner Bluetooth 2026 is a top-tier ECU programming tool that instantly elevates vehicle diagnostics with wireless Bluetooth connectivity, bidirectional testing, and full system OE-level scans. With 31 plus reset functions, CAN FD support, FCA auto-auth, and lifetime updates, it handles PCM, ECM, ABS, TPMS, and more, saving time and money on repairs. Powered by Android 10, quad-core CPU, 2 GB RAM, 32 GB storage, and 6,000 mAh battery. It delivers fast, reliable performance for DIYers, mechanics, and dealerships. Full vehicle coverage, intuitive live data graphics, and active ECU tests make troubleshooting seamless and precise. Number 2. XTOOL IP919 Pro is the ultimate ECU programming and OBD2 scan tool for professional mechanics and advanced DIYers. Packed with 51 plus reset functions, ECU coding, bidirectional control, and topology mapping, it delivers dealership-level diagnostics and programming for over 100,000 vehicles. Powered by Android 10.0 with an 8-core processor, 10.1-inch sunlight-readable screen, and 6,400 mAh battery, it ensures faster, smoother, and more precise operations. Features FCA auto-auth, CAN FD, DOIP support, wireless and wired connections, plus pre-post scan reports, boosting efficiency, credibility, and repair accuracy instantly. Number 1. TOPDON Phoenix XLink is a professional-grade ECU programming powerhouse built for serious technicians who demand speed, accuracy, and control. Designed for advanced ECU programming and online coding, it enables secure ECU replacement, matching, and software upgrades while unlocking hidden vehicle features. With topology mapping, bidirectional control, CAN FD DOIP support, and full system diagnostics across 168 brands, it delivers faster troubleshooting and precise results. The 10.1-inch Android-based scanner, long-life battery, 41 plus service functions, and 2 years of free updates make it a durable, high-value solution for modern ECU programming workflows.